Hello everyone. The case taking seminar that we are doing on 9th and 10th of September 2022, it has two main aspects to it, and this is why you should consider joining this seminar or webinar rather. The first is during this seminar we will be learning about methods, techniques, skills, a lot of skills and arts on how to probe characteristic symptom, whether it is in the body or whether it is in the mind. How to look. See, patient gives us lot of symptoms in the body or in the mind, and then we are lost, which is the symptom that actually needs to be treated here, which is the symptom that I should repertorize, which is the symptoms that I should search in materia medica or repertory. So during this seminar, we will learn numerous such techniques where you will learn what is it that should be treated in a particular case. The second important thing is every case requires a different approach. So one case we may need to treat on the basis of keynote, another in the basis of sensation, another on the basis of drug picture, another on the basis of mind rubrics, another on the basis of pathology, so on and so forth. So how to identify in which case which kind of technique is needed? Secondly, is there a one simple methodology by which if I follow that methodology, I will know that in this case I need this kind of approach, and this is where I have to look for the characteristic symptom or the important symptom, whether it is in the mind or in the body. So we will learn about integration, how to integrate all the old and new methods, starting from Hahnemann, Boger, Boning-Hussein, Kent, and latest stalwarts like Dr. Sankaran, Professor Vithulkas, Dr. Emil Sehgal, how all of them are talking the same thing and how we can use different case taking techniques by all these stalwarts and integrate into one methodology by which we can increase our consistency in results and treat different variety of patients. So to know this art of how to integrate and how to learn all these different methods is what we are going to offer in this webinar on 9th and 10th of September 2022. I hope this would be useful to you, and I wish to see you all there on 9th of September. Till then, bye bye.